Let's talk about planners. In Planfix, they have three key features. The first feature is that they work with real system data, which means they display existing tasks. For example, let's create a planner for employee workload. Then we'll add a new list to it. In the settings, enter a name and enable the Filter by Conditions option. In the selection parameters, specify that we're looking for tasks where the assignee is Sherry, and the status is anything except completed. To make things more convenient, we'll group the selected tasks by status and save the list. Now let's create a similar task list for another employee. Once again, just enter the name, specify the new assignee, and save the settings. This feature allows you to create and display any number of lists in a planner. Planfix will automatically select these lists based on predefined conditions. The second feature of the planner is its ability to create tasks directly in the correct list. There is a special field for this. You can use it to create tasks in short form or in full form. In the full form, you can specify additional data. Note that any tasks created in a list also automatically receive the parameters of that list. To check this, let's open the task, Prepare Vacation Schedule, and go to the task Details. We can see that the assignee is Sherry and the status is New. Everything matches the list parameters we set. Now let's open another task in a different list. For example, Prepare Report. Go to Details. We can see that the assignee is Thomas and the status is New. Notice that the additional parameters we specified earlier in the full task form were also added. You can find them in the Details section. The third feature is the ability to drag tasks between lists to change their parameters. For example, let's assign Thomas' task to Sherry. To do this, we just need to move the task. Now check the details. You can see that the assignee and status have changed. These changes apply across the entire system. Now, in any section where this task appears, it will show that Sherry is working on it. Now let's go back to the employee workload settings. If you click the planner name, an additional menu opens. This is where you can edit the name and access permissions, set it as the default planner, move it to a group, or delete it. You can also enable list synchronization here. When synchronization is enabled, lock icons appear in the list headers. Now, if you change a setting in one list, it is applied to the others as well. To deactivate synchronization for a specific list, simply click the lock icon. To turn it off for all lists at once, navigate back to the Employee Workload menu and disable it. You can also show or hide the planner in the side menu. This is especially useful when you need to organize tasks by work area. It helps simplify and speed up daily tasks. Once you set up the planner for your processes, you'll find it is a convenient tool to see all tasks, employee workloads, and current work status.